Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a sample cue card, describe a bicycle or motorcycle or car trip you would like to go on. Now let's begin with this cue card. Describe a bicycle, motorcycle or car trip you would like to go on. You have to cover the following cues when you speak on this topic: who you would like to go with, where you would like to go, when you would like to go, and explain why would you like to go by bicycle, motorcycle or car. Let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, visiting new places helps individuals break the monotony of their hectic schedule and gives them a sense of satisfaction. Here, I would like to talk about a car trip that I really want to go on with my family. Everyone in my family likes to explore new places, so we regularly make trips every year. Last year, my friend Mike, along with my parents, visited Kalong, which is a beautiful hill station. I came to know about his visit when he posted some photos and videos of his tour, which impressed me a lot. He also told me how adventurous their journey was. They embarked on their journey in the early morning and they stopped at many places to have some food and drinks and to capture some awesome photos of the surroundings. At the same time, they booked their rooms in advance through a mobile app to avoid any accommodation problems. They spent almost 3 days there, and during their period they visited historical sites, tasted local meals, and did some activities like paragliding. Because of these reasons, I really want to experience this and I am waiting for my upcoming vacation. As this hill station is around 300 kilometers from my hometown, my family and I decided to go there by car to comfortably travel to this place. This journey would help us spend some quality time together in a tranquil environment and experience something extremely new and different. I hope I will be able to go on this car journey in the coming days. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at some follow-ups that can be asked in the exam. Now let's begin with the follow-ups. The very first one is, which form of vehicle is most common in your country? Bikes, car or motorcycles? All types of vehicles are popular in India. The most common mode of traveling is motorcycles in India because the majority of people belong to middle-class families. Then, cars are also famous among Indian people, especially when they have to travel long distances and with their family members. Bicycles are common among those who do labor jobs or do cycling as an exercise. Next question is, do you think air pollution comes mostly from mobile vehicles? I don't think so. Even though vehicles contribute a lot in polluting the air, the manufacturing industries are major contributors of air pollution. Factories pollute the atmosphere by releasing toxic gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, which are dangerous for us as well. Next question is, do you think people need to change the way of transportation drastically to protect the environment? I think the government should make some initiatives to motivate people to use public transportation. If individuals travel by trains, metros or buses, there will be less private vehicle on the roads, which will result in decreasing air pollution. Then, the authorities should promote new types of vehicles like electric vehicles which are eco-friendly. Next question is, how are transportation systems in rural and urban systems different? As far as I know, transportation facilities in cities are more functional than in rural areas. In cities, there are buses, trains, and taxis for every route, which are frequently available for the public, while in the countryside, there is not a frequent service of public transportation, so people mostly use their own vehicles for traveling. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do follow us on social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.